Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and you join us on another beautiful day down here in Devon, where I'm going to show you around a 2021 SEAT Arona FR that's just arrived with us. Now this vehicle's finished in magnetic grey with the black roof, and the first thing you notice when you look at the FR model, which makes it stand out, is the red stitching that is noted on most of the interior. So starts with the door cards, follows through into the dash. You have red stitching around the steering wheel and even edging on the front seats. Now this car's just arrived with us and has covered only 38,300 miles and is in great condition. It's been very, very well serviced, and you can tell that it's been well looked after as well. Now the Arona is our smallest SUV, built on the same floor plan as the SEAT Ibiza, which has been our best-selling car for many, many years. But the Arona has a couple of little tricks up its sleeve. The first one is a very useful boot, and with an optional height boot floor, you can either have the boot floor in this position, which gives you a level boot. You have space in there for a wheel, if you would like a wheel. Or if I just drop that floor down, you can see there hopefully that it's just dropped by a few inches. So if you're carrying heavier boxes or cases on the way to the airport, then it will give the boot just that bit more carrying capability. Now people like to sit just a little bit higher up nowadays, so that's where the Arona scores very well. And you have seating for 5. You have 2 ISOFIX fitments in the rear as well. And then when we come to the driver's seat, let's jump in so I can show you some of the features. Now the main thing you notice is this lovely big colour touchscreen media display, and that runs through the usual things: Bluetooth hands-free, digital radio. This has a built-in satellite navigation system which is very easy to operate, or if you prefer to use your mobile phone, you do have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capability. Plenty of vehicle settings that you can go into and personalise, so you can adjust lighting settings, the wing mirrors to fold in. You can even change the display of the media screen, so you can have, rather than having one thing displayed, you can have a third of the screen set up with different menus. All of the cars have a pre-collision sensor as well as the tiredness recognition. And then when you come down to the heating and ventilation, you have dual zone climate control, a wireless phone charger, which is brilliant, and a 6-speed manual gearbox. You have 4 different driving modes, be it a normal, sporty, or an eco setting, or you can have an individual one which can take parts of each across. That's the park display when we engage reverse gear, so it wakes up the sensors and the park display. And then you have your multi-function steering wheel with your indicators on the left and wipers on the right. Now this car will leave us with a 12-month warranty. It leaves us freshly MOT'd and serviced. So if you're looking for one of the most friendly dealers in the country, I would say come and see us. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, take care.